There's something special about Sunday mornings with the sound of your bike warming up. Today I'm meeting with a friend, and the goal is simple. Check out the N4 Callouts and ride spiritedly on the way there. Let's get riding. So we met up and rode out as we had some distance to cover. The weather was not exactly on our side. The rain was intensifying and the roads were getting slicker, but we had to see it through.
Okay, I'm not wearing my earplugs. Oh, oh, you're gonna die, Baba. It just sounds.
After my friend reluctantly agreed to set pace, we were off. It seemed the weather had given us a short break, and we planned to maximize this chance greatly. Seeing the rain starting to intensify, we had a short deliberation as to whether we continue towards the N4 callouts, as we doubted that there would be people. As expected, there was no one at the callouts. It turned out that we were, one, too early, and two, the weather scared off a lot of riders. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next one.